Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to make a 3D asset pack using Sloyd in just a minute. So in this case, I want to make a small market. So I'm just going to save this as a new project of mine, and I'll select the market stall template. So this generator has a bunch of different sliders, a bunch of different toggles and buttons like we always do in Sloyd. So to do this really fast, I'm just going to use the randomizer. I'm just going to randomize. I like that one, and then click duplicate. Go and randomize again till I find something that I think works. That looks pretty good. That's a nice variation. I can randomize again. Oh, that's also nice. That's you got that sign, and I can add some graphics on there afterwards. Something like that. And you see how you can really fast make a bunch of asset that looks like they fit together, and you can build out a scene really fast like that. So that's basically it, and now you can go in and customize individually if you'd like, but typically you don't necessarily even need to. You can go and change the materials. Maybe you want some variation on that too. That's it. So I hope you enjoy this quick tutorial, and hope you have fun with Sloyd making 3D. Thanks.